Women of Northwest Ohio Spotlights are made possible in part by a gift provided by Dr. Douglas and Suzanne Neckers, who recognize and celebrate the contributions of the area's important women.
The third child of Polish immigrants who would one day found the Sisters of St. Francis Sylvania took her vows as Sister Adelaide in 1902. During a time when few women went to college, she spent a summer at Harvard University researching Virgil, majored in Latin at the College of St. Teresa, and earned a master's degree from Columbia University. In 1916, she was installed as the first Provincial Superior. A Sylvania farm was chosen for the convent. Mother Adelaide decided to turn the property into a park and planted 1,000 evergreens. Her early training and talent in art surfaced in her dedication to creating a convent as work of art. During the last month of her life, she supervised the placement of every work of art in a new classroom building. After her death in 1964, the building was named Mother Adelaide Hall. I'm Chris Peterson.
Women of Northwest Ohio is a co-production with the League of Women Voters of Bowling Green, the Perrysburg area, and Toledo-Lucas County, and made possible in part by a gift provided by Dr. Douglas and Suzanne Neckers. Being involved makes our democracy work.